Assalamu alaikum. May peace, mercy, and blessing be on all of you. I hope you all are well, guys. Today's video has a special significance because this is the first day of my fourth year academic journey, and in that day, we were celebrating the birthday of our Honorable Rizal Karim sir. In that instant arrangement, our respective head of the department, Sadikur Rahman sir, was present with another teachers, so it was a great moment for us. I would like to say happy birthday, sir. Many happy returns of the day. And may Allah give you prosperity, happiness, and all kinds of success in your life. Okay, let's enjoy the whole video. And thanks in advance for watching.
ধন্যবাদ তোমাদেরকে, আপনাকেও ধন্যবাদ স্যার সময় দেওয়ার জন্য, আমাকে মনে রাখার জন্য। তবে মূল কথা হচ্ছে আমাদের মানুষ